Hey, horse!
Oh?
Yeah, you. You're an illusion. Yeah, in fact, this whole video is an illusion. It's the brainchild of a mastermind puppeteer hiding behind a curtain. Lisa, the stop-motion animator! Whatever do we mean? Well, take this bouncing ball, for instance. It's actually a bunch of still pictures of a piece of clay, shown back-to-back very quickly to create the illusion of movement. In this activity, you'll learn how to create a movement illusion of your own by making a flipbook. All you need are sticky notes and a pencil. First, draw a ball toward the top of the first page. To make the bouncing ball look like it's made of rubber, we'll use an animation principle called squash and stretch. So, on the next page, draw a ball that's slightly lower and a little stretched out. It should look like an oval. Repeat this on the following page, drawing your ball a little more stretched and a little lower. On the next page, draw another ball closer to the bottom. Draw a squashed ball on the very bottom. It should look like a fluffy pancake. Now do the same thing, but in reverse, slowly moving your ball up and stretching it out until you reach the top. There, draw a perfect circle. If you flip through your pages very quickly, you should start to see your ball move. Artists have been using this sort of motion trick for over 100 years. Photographer Edward Muybridge famously captured the movement of a horse. If you want to take this activity further, you can try bouncing your ball off all sides of the sticky note pad. You can add color too. Happy animating!